to hear this if you're a wildlife enthusiast. Welcome to Buzzing Safari. Have you ever heard of animals so big they could carry a small car on their backs? It's truly astonishing. We're talking about elephants, the magnificent giants of Africa. These creatures are a sight to behold. These incredible creatures roam the grassy savannas and dense forests, making their homes in diverse habitats. Get ready to activate your creature powers because we're diving into the wild world of African elephants. It's going to be an adventure like no other. These gentle giants are full of surprises. From their playful calves to their gentle nature, there's so much to discover. Elephants are not only the largest land animals on Earth, but they're also some of the smartest. They use tools and display remarkable intelligence. They have big hearts, strong family bonds, and even bigger appetites. Their social structure is fascinating. Imagine eating enough food every day to fill a bathtub. That's a lot of vegetation to munch on. That's what these amazing animals do. They spend a lot of their time foraging for food. We'll explore their incredible trunks, massive ears, and impressive tusks. Each part of their body is uniquely adapted for survival. So put on your explorer hats, and let's get started on our wild elephant adventure. There's so much to see and learn. Did you know there are actually two kinds of African elephants? It's true, and each type has its own unique characteristics and habitats. There's the savanna elephant, which is the largest land animal on Earth. These magnificent creatures can weigh up to 14,000 pounds. These elephants roam the wide-open grasslands, munching on grasses and leaves. They need to eat hundreds of pounds of vegetation every day. They're like the kings and queens of the savanna, with their huge ears and long tusks. Their ears help them stay cool in the hot sun. Imagine seeing a whole herd of them walking across the plains. It's a breathtaking sight that showcases their majestic presence. Then, there's the forest elephant, which is a little smaller than its savanna cousin. They are more elusive and harder to spot. These elephants live in the dense forests of Central and West Africa. They navigate through thick vegetation with ease. They have smaller, rounder ears and straighter tusks. These features help them move through the forest more efficiently. Both types of elephants are incredibly important to their ecosystems. They help shape the environment and support other wildlife. Let's explore more about their amazing features and how they live their lives in the wild. There's so much to learn about these incredible animals. Let's talk about those amazing elephant features. First up, the trunk. An elephant's trunk is like a super-powered tool. They use it for everything from picking up food to showering themselves with water. It's like having a built-in nose, hand, and shower head all in one. And those big, beautiful ears. Elephant ears aren't just for hearing, they're also for keeping cool. When elephants get hot, they flap their ears like giant fans to cool themselves down. Both male and female African elephants have tusks, which are actually long, pointed teeth. Unfortunately, these magnificent tusks are also the reason why elephants face a serious threat from poachers. Section 4. Elephant families and leaders. Elephants are super social animals, and they live in families called herds. These herds are led by the oldest and wisest female, called the matriarch. She's like the queen of the herd, making all the important decisions and keeping everyone safe. Within the herd, there are strong bonds between mothers and their calves. Baby elephants stay close to their moms for many years, learning everything they need to know to survive in the wild. Elephants communicate with each other using a variety of sounds, from rumbling calls to trumpeting warnings. Section 5. Baby elephants, growing up big. Baby elephants, called calves, are some of the cutest creatures in the animal kingdom. With their big ears and tiny trunks, they capture the hearts of everyone who sees them. They're born after a long 22-month pregnancy, which is almost 2 whole years. This extended period allows them to develop fully before entering the world. When they're first born, they're a bit wobbly on their feet, but they quickly learn to follow their moms and the rest of the herd. Their first steps are crucial as they need to keep up with the group for safety. Calves drink their mother's milk for the first few years of their lives, and they also start to nibble on plants as they grow. This combination of milk and plants helps them gain strength and nutrients. They love to play with each other, splashing in water and chasing each other around. Playtime is not just fun, it helps them develop social bonds and physical skills. As calves grow older, they learn important survival skills from their mothers and the other elephants in the herd. These skills include finding food, recognizing danger, and understanding the complex social structure of the herd. They can live for up to 70 years in the wild, which is a really long time. This long lifespan allows them to pass down knowledge through generations, ensuring the survival of their species. Section 6. Protecting our pachyderm pals. Sadly, African elephants face many challenges in the wild. One of the biggest threats is habitat loss. As human populations grow, elephants are losing their homes to make way for farms and cities. Another major threat is poaching, which we talked about earlier. But there's hope. Many organizations are working hard to protect elephants and their habitats. We can all help too. By learning about elephants and spreading awareness about the challenges they face, we can inspire others to take action. Please like and subscribe to our channel to stay updated on our latest videos and support our mission to protect these magnificent creatures.